Hello and welcome back to another video from ProVail Tech. Today we'll be hopping into the Kaseya product line, taking a look at creating workflows with the Cooper Copilot. My name is Derek. Let's go ahead and hop in here. Taking a look at Cooper Copilot. Cooper Copilot is designed to automate the creation of workflows and part of Kaseya's ongoing commitment to AI advancements, and is designed to transform how you create workflows. With Cooper Copilot, you can generate workflows simply by typing your desired outcome automation and eliminating the need to start from a blank canvas or have explicit scripting skills. Depending on when you are watching this feature still may be in early access, so if you don't see this within your VSA environment, be sure to reach out to your Kaseya partner and they will be able to get that fixed for you. Once enabled, if we hop in here to Kaseya, we can see on the left-hand side under Automation, there is a portion called Workflows. If you click on Workflows, underneath the folders there, you will find one called User Defined. And then on the right-hand side, you'll see a bunch of actions. Underneath the actions, one of those we will see will be Create with Cooper AI. Go ahead and click that. And once you click that, this will pop up with the Create Workflow with Cooper AI window. This will behave very similarly to many other prompt-based AI tools you may already be familiar with. You'll be asked to start with one of either the predefined purpose-built cards or with a blank prompt. We can see some of the options on there, such as deploy an application, remediate a stop service, set a device policy, or remediate load disks. So we'll go ahead and create our own here. And we'll do a simple one to be able to view DWG files on Windows computer. Similarly to other AIs, you'll see here, during the interaction with Cooper Copilot, you can refine your request. Each additional prompt sent will change the suggested workflow canvas, making it better aligned with your desired outcome. You're also able to review these individual actions generated. So we can see here, for instance, looking at the DWG files on Windows computers, the workflow suggested does a quick condition at the first to check it to see if the device is a Windows device. If it is, it'll then go ahead and download the DWG viewer, install it, and mark it as a success. If it doesn't, it'll not mark it as a Windows device and then end the workflow. We can see here on the bottom left-hand corner to please add additional logging as the prompt, and this will allow you to continually refine your request as you move forward. So let's talk about then effective prompting within Cooper Copilot. The first thing you want to go ahead and do is be clear and specific. The more specific your request, the better results you'll get. For example, let's compare the following prompts. A basic prompt of install Chrome versus a better prompt of install Google Chrome browser on all Windows 10 and 11 computers, then create a desktop shortcut. The second prompt provides essential details that help the AI generate a more accurate and comprehensive workflow. When prompting, make sure to include the following key information. For the best results, try to include these key elements in your prompts. What? The main action and desired outcome you want to achieve. Where? That'll be the targeted operating system types. When? Either ad hoc or scheduled. How? Any specific preferred methods or requirements like registry values, PowerShell, or CMD commands. And then why? Explaining the purpose will explain how Cooper Copilot will understand the overall context of what you're trying to achieve. So some examples for the what there can be things such as do a system cleanup, deploy a PDF viewer, write a log entry, send a message to the current logged in user, items such as that. The when is going to be, for instance, when no user is currently logged into the system, if available disk space falls below 15%, if BitLocker encryption status is off. These can all be things that are either ad hoc or scheduled in your environment. The how is going to be your preferred method there, so that'll be such as using silent installation parameters, or with a 60-second timeout, or dependent services need to be stopped first in order to do this. Those will all be how the application or what you're trying to achieve will be done. And then finally, the why will provide context that the AI will be able to use to generate and help you out there. So that can be things as to free up disk space on critical systems, or to remediate a known vulnerability, or to prevent data loss, or to improve system performance. Things like this will help the Copilot understand and assist you better. So if we combine these all together, we can take a look at some effective prompts here, for instance. One for software deployment. we can create a workflow to deploy the latest version of Firefox on all Windows workstations. Before installation, check if it's at least 500 megabytes of free disk space available, and then end the workflow if failed if not true. If the user is logged in, display a message asking for permission to install with options to proceed or postpone for 1 hour. If installation succeeds, create a desktop shortcut. This verbose example will fill out all those topics that we just touched about and allow the Cooper Copilot to assist you better. For instance, one with security remediation. Create a workflow that identifies Windows computers with passwords set to never expire. For each affected user account, generate a report with the username and last password change date, and then set the password to expire in 90 days. Log all changes in the workflow history and create a summary report. Thanks for watching. We hope this was helpful in creating workflows with Cooper Copilot. And for everything else, be sure to check out our channel and reach out to us at ProVelTech. Thank you.